Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best Losi RC cars just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best Losi RC cars to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started. Product number 1. Losi Micro T RC Car. The Losi Micro T RC car is a compact powerhouse designed for fun, portability, and impressive agility. Despite its small size, this micro truck delivers quick acceleration and responsive steering, making it ideal for indoor driving or small backyard tracks. It features a lightweight chassis paired with durable suspension components that can absorb small bumps and rough surfaces gracefully. The pre-assembled, ready-to-run configuration ensures beginners can start driving immediately without complex setup. Running on a nimble brushed motor, the Micro T provides a playful, beginner-friendly speed that still feels exciting. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and store, offering great value for casual hobbyists. The only limitation is its modest runtime and smaller tire size, which isn't ideal for rough terrain. Still, for affordability, reliability, and pure mini fun, the Losi Micro T stands out as an excellent entry-level RC truck. Product number 2. 112 Brushless RC Cars. This 112 scale brushless RC car is built for drivers looking for top-tier speed and performance at a manageable size. The brushless motor system provides significantly more power and efficiency than a brushed setup, allowing for high-speed runs and smoother acceleration. Its larger frame, compared to micro or mini models, gives it better ground clearance, stability, and handling on mixed surfaces, dirt, gravel, or pavement. The Losi Micro T RC car is a compact powerhouse designed for fun, portability, and impressive agility. Despite its small size, this micro truck delivers quick acceleration and responsive steering, making it ideal for indoor driving or small backyard tracks. It features a lightweight chassis paired with durable suspension components that can absorb small bumps and rough surfaces gracefully. The pre-assembled, ready-to-run configuration ensures beginners can start driving immediately without complex setup. Product number 3. Losi 118 Mini T 2.0 2S. The Losi 118 Mini T 2.0 2S is inspired by the iconic 1/10 scale stadium truck, but delivers that same racing DNA in a compact, high-performance 118 package. Running on a powerful 2S compatible system, this mini truck reaches impressive speeds while maintaining stable handling thanks to its race-engineered suspension. The aluminum chassis plate provides rigidity and durability, a major advantage for jumps and high-impact driving. Its ready-to-run design includes everything needed to hit the track immediately. The tires offer excellent grip on dirt and pavement, while the oil-filled shocks help smooth out uneven terrain. The truck's responsive electronics make it enjoyable for both beginners and advanced drivers. The only drawback is its smaller size, which may feel less stable on extremely rough surfaces. Still, the Mini T 2.0 2S offers premium performance in a small, budget-friendly platform. Product number 4. Losi 118 Mini T 2.0 2S version 2. The upgraded Losi 118 Mini T 2.0 2S version 2 enhances several performance aspects while preserving the beloved features of the original model. This version offers refined shock tuning, improved durability in suspension arms, and slightly upgraded electronics for smoother throttle response. The 2S-capable power system ensures fast acceleration and a thrilling top speed for a mini stadium truck. Featuring the same sturdy aluminum chassis and race-bred geometry, the version 2 provides excellent cornering grip and stability. It's a standout option for competitive mini-scale racing due to its predictable handling. The updated tire compound improves traction across multiple surfaces, making it more versatile than previous versions. While still compact, the enhancements make this model feel more refined and responsive. For drivers wanting the best Mini T experience, the version 2 offers outstanding value and reliability. Product number 5. Losi 118 Mini LMT Megalodon. The Losi 118 Mini LMT Megalodon brings monster truck excitement to the Mini RC category with its aggressive styling, rugged construction, and four-wheel drive power. Inspired by full-scale monster trucks, this model features a durable chassis, long travel suspension, and oversized tires capable of handling big jumps, grass, dirt, and rough terrain. The Megalodon body design adds unique visual appeal, making it a fan favorite for collectors and monster truck enthusiasts. Despite its compact size, the Mini LMT delivers strong torque and acceleration, making it great for wheelies, stunts, and off-road obstacles. The 4WD drivetrain enhances control, especially on slippery or uneven surfaces. Although it's slightly heavier than other 118 models, this provides stability and strength for aggressive driving. For hobbyists who crave bold styling and rugged mini-scale performance, the Losi Mini LMT Megalodon is an exciting and durable choice.